Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can enable to generate link previews in Signal Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Signal app on your phone. If you don't have it, you can download and install it from the Play Store. Open the app and click on your profile, which you see on the top left hand corner. Then you can click on Chats. After you click on Chats, you can see the Generate Link Previews. What this does is it will retrieve link previews directly from websites for messages you send. So if you send something like www.google.com, it will give you the link preview. So this will also happen if others send you a link and you want to enable the link previews. So go ahead and enable it. But if in case you want to delete or disable it, just go to Chats and disable the Generate Link Previews. I hope this video about how you can enable to generate the link previews in Signal Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.